Assalamu alaikum students. Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is importance of vegetation, page number 71. First of all, I will tell you why the forests are important. Forests play a very important role in the economy of the country. About 25% area should be covered with forest. But unfortunately, only 5% area of the land of Pakistan is covered with forest. So Pakistan fulfill his one-third part of the energy by the forest. Means forests are very important for us, but unfortunately we have very less amount covered with forest. Now today we are going to start our chapter importance of vegetation and or forest. Now I'll tell you that these are the 16 points and you should write the heading over every point. For this purpose, I will repeat the heading, then you should write, and on the scenario of this reading, the explanation is there. Okay. First one. Prevent soil erosion and reduce the speed of the water flow. What's the heading? Prevent soil erosion and reduce the speed of water flow. The northern mountain area receive much rain. This rainwater from the mountain comes down the slope with great speed and falls into the rivers. The trees on the slopes check the speedy flow of water. They help in preventing soil erosion and reduce the velocity of water. You know it very well that when water falls from the height, the speed is very fast. So, with the presence of the trees, these speeds check and it becomes slow. So, what forests are very important for the prevention of the soil erosion. Come to the second point. Heading is energy sources. Pakistan has limited energy resources. The wood obtained from the forests make up the deficiency of coal. It is used for the fuel. In the villages, people burn the wood to meet the energy requirements. Third point, wood for building and furniture. We get wood for the building of the furniture from the forest. Forests provide different kinds of wood, which are used in building and making of furniture and other things. Fourth point, sports goods. Sports goods are manufactured of the forest wood. Pakistan exports these sports goods and earn foreign exchange. The sports goods are manufactured with the wood of the forest. Fifth point, pleasant climate. Write the heading, pleasant climate. Forests make the climate of an area pleasant. They reduce the intensity of the temperature. Means the weather becomes pleasant in the presence of the forest. Source of the rainfall. So forests are also the source of rain. They increase the quantity of water vapors in the air that cause rainfall. 7. Maintain fertility of the soil. The root of the trees keep the soil intact. They control the erosion of the soil. They hold soil by preventing rain from washing and taking the fertile layer of soil away. Hence, the fertility of the soil is maintained. How does Fertility of the soil maintained because the roots of the trees keeps the soil intact. Insects take it at its place and remove it from withering. So it maintains the fertility of the soil. Number 8, protection of the dam. If there are no forests, river washes away with them a huge quantity of sand and soil. They may fill the dams and artificial lakes. As a result, As a result, the storage capacity of the water in the dams and artificial lake is decreased and less quantity of water is available for the agriculture and industries. In dams and lake, a specific space is present for the storage of the water. Instead of water, when sand and soil came there, mud came there. So what happens? The capacity to store water decreases. So their working may affect. Number 9 point, prevent waterlogging and salinity. Trees are very useful in waterlogged and salinity affected areas. The roots of the trees absorbs water from the soil. They decrease the underground level of the water. As a result, water level goes down. Nature maintained a special water level under the ground. It is the guarantee of the fertility or the vegetation on the earth. When the water level increases, then the water comes to the surface of the soil, and water evaporates by the heat of the sun. Then the salt remains on the soil, and all the land becomes looks white with the salt. So this type of land is known as salinity. Is just because of the water logging, because in water logging the water level comes up, so the trees absorb the water, so they decrease the underground level of the water. As a result, water level goes down. Number 10, herbs for the medicines. Herbs are found in the forest. They are used in the preparation of the medicines. Herbal medicines are made with the help of the herbs which are present in the forest, and forests are the source of providing herbs for the medicines. Number 11, promote tourism. Forests promote tourism. There are many places in the north and the northwestern mountain areas of Pakistan which are the worth seeing and tourist resort places. Number 12, habitat for the wildlife. Habitat means homes. What the forest provide? Forests provide homes or living place for the wildlife. Forests are very necessary for the wildlife, birds and animals, because forests are the homes of the wild animals and birds. Number 13, provide food and fodder. Forests provide us different kinds of fruit and seed. They also provide fodder for the animal. Number 4, key role in the economy. Forests play a key role in the economy of the Pakistan. How? Because forests play a key role. Forests are a source of energy. They provide us raw material for the industry. People get employment from the forest. Wildlife is in the forest. This all helps in the promoting the economy of any country. 15, raw material for the industry. Forests are also source of the lacquer and the silk cocoon industry. They also provide us with mushrooms, honey and gums. Point number 16, raw material for paper industry. Raw material of paper and cardboard industry is obtained from the trees. For the steps, no, write the heading government contribution.